Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials and topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be talking about on how you can unlock your Samsung phone if you end up locking it. Now, I just want to get something clear. You cannot unlock your Samsung phone if you end up locking it. First and foremost, if your Samsung phone is locked, you won't even be able to turn it off. Like, Samsung has a very good protection system that you can't even turn your Samsung phone off without entering the password. And secondly, if the phone does end up turning off, you won't be able to access any of your data because you will have to perform a factory reset just to be able to use the phone once again. And factory reset is basically deleting almost everything. Now, if I go over here and I search for factory reset, as you can see, factory data reset and all that stuff. So yeah, my advice, don't forget your password. If you found this video informative, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.